Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to cover all of these three Adobe tools to remove any video background. You can use this method in your regular project. It will save you a lot of time and make your workflow more easy and faster. And this is going to be really interesting tutorial, so make sure watch till the end. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into this video. You need to visit on this platform Adobe Express feature video remove background. I will provide link in the description. Click on this upload your video. And here click on this add media and upload your video. So I'm using this video. Remove background feature is currently in the process, so wait till then. Okay, so now click on this remove background. It will take some time to remove your video background. Okay, so this video background removal is completed. As you can see, the result is very clean and looking good. If you want, you can change the background. So go to this, click on this theme, and you can change the background color whatever you want. And just click on this download. It will take some time to download your video. Second is Adobe After Effects. Select your footage and create a composition of your footage, and select this roto brush and double click onto this footage and select your object like this. And if your roto boundary going out of the object, you have to hold Alt and deselect this area. So object is completely selected. Now play the video and your roto will be moved with the video. So this roto is not correct, so I'm going to remove this. So use this green brush and mask it. I think this is fine, and let's play this again. Okay, now go back to this composition and you will see this background is removed, and you guys can see the result. Okay, so this is also amazing. Now we will use the third method. So third is my favorite, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm using the Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. So basically drag and drop the video into this project panel and create new sequence. So go to the beginning and select this object mask tool. This is the new feature of the Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. So click onto this. You can select any of the object to remove the video background. So select your object to remove the background, and you will see this created object mask in the effect and controls. So click on this track selected mask. So play this. It will take some time to break the entire footage. Alright, so now it created this perfectly mask onto this object. Now how you can remove the video background? So basically you have to hold this object mask and move it under this opacity. Now as you can see, the result is looking really good. Unselect the object mask and play the video, and you will see the result is very sharp and clean. I hope you like this entire process. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.